So I'm just making a quick video of this fixture table I'm working on. It's a 1/2 inch plate, 5/8 holes, so you can use standard clamps. I made these custom clamps here. Harbor Freight clamp and like 5/8 bolt. Works pretty good. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm using this jig to make these holes. They're all on 3-inch spacing. So these mag drills, they got this 1/4 inch shank that comes down to a point. So I put this angle iron all the way up against there, and then set it down, measured where that point is to the edge of the angle iron, then added 3 inches on this plate, drilled a hole in here, drilled a hole in here. That's 3 inches apart. And then I measured 3 inches apart on this piece of angle iron. Measured from one side to get all the holes lined up across the whole thing. Then to set it up, I already started here, as you can see. Kind of put this magnet here just to kind of know where to stop. And I put these plates here. Put these bolts in there to hold it in spot. So I got these plates placed in here. Then I'm going to butt up my angle iron up against that tight. So that's 3 inches apart. And I got this magnet set up here. This is kind of like just a stop where where the edge of the table is. Make sure it's still snug. Go ahead and clamp her down. So you guys can probably see how that's going to give me my 3-inch spacing there. 3 inches apart here, 3 inches apart there. Give you this nice grid pattern here. I'm going to show you guys how I'm using this jig. I'm lining up my bang drill into that. So I'm setting this down kind of close near it, making sure that that bit is going inside of that hole, because you don't want to make that hole bigger, otherwise your holes will all be off. So that's touching the table right now, that bit. I'm going to turn on the magnet. Just going to make sure it's still going up smooth.